Hello, in this video I will show you how to bypass parental controls on OnePlus 9. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now click on Google account. Now click on data and privacy and then you have to scroll down. Then click on delete your Google account. And here you have to enter your password. And now you have to scroll down and check these two checkboxes. Then click delete account. Now your account should be removed. So now let's open, for example, Google Play Store and click sign in. Now you have to enter your email address. And then click next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so now let's click next to recover it. And now let's enter my password. And now click I agree. And click accept. And now as you can see, my parental control is bypassed and my account is recovered. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.